Hello everyone. So as you can see, I have a package here from Hobonichi. I'm really excited. I wasn't expecting to receive this today, and I've never ordered anything directly from the Hobonichi store. I do have a Hobonichi Weeks, but I actually ordered that from Jetpens. And the reason I have this is for homeschooling, actually, which I will explain the reasons behind that when I do an update video for my homeschooling setup. But I kind of ordered this out of frustration, and I'm just excited to see how this goes for me. This is really cute. Oh, their packaging is so nice. Okay. Here it is. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the Hobonichi Techo Cousin. So this is the A5 size, and it comes with freebies. So let's open this. And if you've seen my previous video of where I showed the setup of my homeschooling traveler's notebook, I was using a standard size, and it's not fully working out once we actually started official school. So I thought, let me just go ahead and try a Hobonichi Cousin so that I can have more space. So this is the Avec, and the Avec is the same as the regular planner, except it's broken up into 6 months. So you actually get 2 books. You get one for January through June, and then the second one, which is this, from July to December, which is completely perfect because it breaks it up so that you can have it for the academic year. And I am so excited to go through this. The cover is much sturdier than I thought it was gonna be. And I know most people are familiar with this. I'm just so excited to get into this and to set it up. This paper is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm such a fan of the Weeks, which has this same Tomoe River paper, and I'm just really looking forward to this because I've been pretty unhappy in the standard size so far. And then here are the freebies when you order directly from the Hobonichi store. So you get a tricolor ballpoint pen. So here it is. And these are meal decider dice. So I'm so bad at meal planning. And this is so funny because it tells you how to cook something. So raw, deep fry, bake. If you can see that. So they all have different ways of cooking. And then this has the kind of like meat. There's a little piggy, chicken. So you just kind of throw these together, and then it will tell you what you need to make, which is really cute. And this is a ballpoint pen, which I'm not a fan of. I do prefer gel pens, but I will give this a try just because I have it and it's free. So that's really cool. Oh, I don't know how to get it back up. Oh, there you go. Duh. So that's cool. It's red, blue, black ink. So I will try that out. It's probably not going to be my favorite, but I'm happy to have it nonetheless. All right, so this is it. And have you guys been following the for the 2019 releases of all of the Hobonichi merchandise? I think I'm gonna get I think I'm gonna get the Mega Weeks sneaker. Those look so nice. I haven't fully decided yet, and if this works out, I'm gonna get the 2019 Cousin Avec set and continue planning in that. So I'm already really excited about this. I have like a really good feeling that this is gonna work out. So I'll probably dig into this today and get it all set up. Let me know what kind of stuff you're liking from the Hobonichi releases and what you're planning on getting. I'm really excited to hear what everybody else thinks about it. The Hobonichi Weeks covers that have been released so far, I'm not such a huge fan of the illustrations on them. And I don't know if they're releasing any more at this point. Today is the 9th, I think. So, or no, today's the 10th. But anyway, let me know what you guys think and what you're gonna get. And I will talk to you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.